Hi friends, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Cynthia and I thank you for clicking on this video here. Here we are. This is Las Vegas, Nevada, and my boys, my husband and my older son took a boys trip to Las Vegas with their best friends. So my best friend's husband is best friends with my husband as well, and their oldest boy is also best friends with my oldest. So anyways, we're basically a family now. But they went to Vegas. They did some sightseeing. I'll maybe put some pictures here at the end. And then yeah, I told them if they can go to the Bath and Body Works outlet, and the person that reminded me was Miss Shopaholic or Dr. Shopaholic on Instagram. And yeah, so I never thought like they would go and look at them. That is just so sweet of them to actually go out here and film a video for me. But I am going to go ahead and leave the boys talking. I want you guys to hear them. I think they're so funny. Nathan, that's my best friend's son. He actually has his own channel, so go check him out. I'm gonna link one of his last videos down below. That is Nathan 101, and he has like a cooking video. He can cook. For a 14-year-old, he can cook. So check out his video, but then listen to them here in the beginning, okay?
So yo guys, it's another Nathan 101 video. Today I decided to do something different, going Bath and Body Works. But earlier we saw some flood stuff, so we're all probably gonna die here in 1 hour. But we're checking out some Bath and Body Works for some reason, so yeah, let's go. I hope I'm getting paid for this. Hopefully. There's no sign here. I don't even know what this place is called. I don't even know what the heck this place is called because there's no sign.
It said like Prizm outlets. It says it right there.
Oh.
Are we using?
Yes, we are. Inside, I need to set up something.
Yeah. I think we're gonna get some auntie ants too. I always have.
What is that?
We go to the mall. It's like
Wait.
that pretzel place.
Oh my god, where am I? This be looking like the mall in my taco video, man. What is
This
this?
looks like the mall in a zombie movie or game.
I know, right? It's been completely raided.
The outbreak already happened.
Bro, we're gonna stop there to take a shot.
What happened here?
Hey, let's just see. Left. No. So you can be out of frame. Ghost town. Bro, how old this place be? There ain't even water, man.
I think it's actually pretty recent. It's like 3 years I heard them.
What do you mean?
I could be wrong though.
There's the Bath and Body Works. The gateway of the dream. Well, this is a nightmare. And then it holds this place and stays steady.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed listening to the boys talk, but here we are. We're about to go into the store. And as we go into the store, I can't have them, or I can't have you listening to them just because of the music. And I don't want to get copyrighted and, you know, I get a copyright strike and all that kind of stuff. So I had to shut it down, but I hope to remember a couple of the things they said as they were in the store. They were so funny. On my Instagram stories, if you guys are on there, I allowed you guys, or I put a couple of things on there on the story so you guys can hear them talking. And yeah, let's go in here. Actually, this is the first time that Nathan comes into a Bath and Body Works. As he was talking to my son, he said, I've never been into a Bath and Body Works before. He's like, I've never had the need to. So it was so funny. I was like, really? And as they're looking at this poppy display, they're like, what is this? And this is brand new or what? And yeah, my son was like talking back to him and saying, yeah, I think this is brand new. They put it in the front of the store and all of that. And he always overhears me talking about these products. And I honestly like come to him a lot and I'll tell him, smell this. What do you think it smells like? Or if I think it smells like something else, like I'll give Alex both of them and he helps me, you know? But yeah, I am just so grateful for these boys. I'm telling you, they are good boys. And I'm just so happy that the dads got to go on a boys trip and spend time with their older boys. Because before you know it, like my son will be what, he's 15 right now, in 3 years 18, off to college. Yeah, right here he was telling him, film that skull. Maybe they don't have it at her store, and a lot of times when they don't have these items, like, she wants to make sure she gets them and this and that. So that was funny. I was like, oh my god. And even the eyeball. And then Nathan was like, I haven't seen these items, like, it's Halloween in here already. But yeah, you guys know retail, especially us, we know we are always seasons ahead. But here we have the flock pumpkins. We're going to get to see a couple of the other ones, but yes, he zoomed into those flock pumpkins. I really love those. I still have my orange one from last year. I can't wait to bring them out, for the fall season, but I am going to definitely wait. Still enjoying summer over here. But yeah, I haven't been to an actual outlet. Like, this is an actual outlet store. It's not one of those where it's in an outlet, but not an outlet Bath and Body Works. This one is an outlet. So I was just so excited that they went out there for me. I couldn't believe it. Like, I told them and I was like, I don't have high hopes. But hey, we have the new men's body care, which is that coffee and whiskey, the leather and brandy. I'm not sure if I'm naming it right. And that mineral, like that new one. It is so good. I just don't like the coffee and whiskey in body care. I like it in the candle, or if the candle could smell more like the body care, I would like it even more. But yeah, so we have the $3 section over here, Vanilla Bean Noel, or Vanilla Bean No Smell as Bonnie calls it. Yeah, always around. That one I could recognize from anywhere. And over here, they're filming like these wallflower plugins, but I can't tell which ones these are. Can you guys tell from the picture? And you guys kind of know, like, my eyes are kind of bad. Like, I can't see that. I know that hand soap right there is like turquoise waters. So yes, that's $3. By the way, who got hand soaps this weekend? They were like under $3 with that extra 20% off and that 350 sale. Uh-huh. Yeah. I actually didn't really pick up any because I had that coupon that was like $3, so I picked that one up. I picked up a couple, but it wasn't because of the sale. It was when I show the haul, I will let you guys know. But over here, he filmed this little section, Take a Walk in a Beautiful Meadow of Fragrance. And we have the Sun Washed Citrus, Pink Berry Clouds, and of course, the Denim and Daisies. These are all scents that have come back. You guys know if you've been around. And I really, really, really love Denim and Daisies. So I'm happy that it's come back. I'm not buying any of these right now until we have until SAS, because I'm really going to try to use up some of the products that I have, and I'm going to go ahead and wait for some of these products to buy it at SAS. And yeah, I mean, I have it in other packaging, so no need to get it right now, even though, yeah, I'm a packaging junkie, but no need to get that one. 50% off section. Isn't it funny, because at SAS, these products right at the end obviously was going for 75% off, but yet look, we have it at 50% off. The outlets are always a different price, I've heard. I have never, like I said, been to an actual outlet, but they're different prices. They are not the same as the regular store. Coconut pineapple fragrance mist, that is one of my favorites, especially for summer. It is so good. Watermelon lemonade, we have the strawberry soda for my strawberry soda lovers. Let me turn off this phone. I always forget to turn it off. And so yeah, we have Love Wins. That never went on sale at the stores, if I could remember. I remember it was like we were told box it up, and they were boxed up and look, sent out to the outlets. And yeah, so it is 50% off here. And we have those, look at the candle holders, the 3-wick candle holders for the What Love Always Wins. It is beautiful. I love those. I got mine for my 30% off, but not at 50. And here is some of these products, or I don't know what you call those, like decorations. They were talking about these and they were like, those aren't candles. Why are these being sold here? And they were looking at that rainbow one. Look at that rainbow one. It's not even 75% off. Are you kidding me? That should be, I feel that's gonna go MOS, and none of us are gonna want to take it home. I'm telling you, like, at least I'm not taking it home. I'm not putting that in that bag. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna keep talking to you guys about that one, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen to that rainbow thing, because I don't think any of us want it for sure. But yeah, so you're getting it. You're being able to see some of these products, but again, if you can't see it up close, I can't either. I can't even read what it says, but we should kind of know what it is just by knowing what the products look like the Happy Vibes down there. I know that's Happy Vibes. The coconut one, and what else? The cinnamon donut swirl. We have cherry blossom. I'm seriously straining my eyes, friends. But yeah, so we have the bubblegum one. That is such a good one. Yes, I love those sweet scents, kitty scents, if that's what you want to call it. I love them. I will always love them. I don't care. We have rainbow waves in the candle down there, but I know, one of the things they forgot to film for me, and I told them to focus on the candles, but they focused like on the wall. And I know I needed to be more specific. I should have said, make sure you get the $10 candles that are off over there somewhere to the side. My husband had actually called me on FaceTime, and so he went over there with and showed me the candles, and so he picked up a couple of, not too many. So I'll have a haul. They are coming home really late tonight. By the time I post this video, they'll probably be home. But yeah, so I am just so happy that I'm grateful that they were able to film this. Look at the candles. I know we've seen these in my stores, but if you're anything like me, you love to look at the new stores, you love to come along. Honestly, I like to go into the stores myself and show it to you guys on video. But since I can't do that, I don't mind also being able to see it on video myself. The camera quality, like, I'm not sure. I know he was using, I believe, his phone as well, and I can't see, like, like the actual names. I don't know if it's because it's moving too fast or what, but I know he has an iPhone as well. We have leather and brandy down there. That's cypress and amber, friends. It is so, so good. I'm halfway through, like, I'm looking at it because it's actually in my son's room. I burned it in my room a little bit, but I moved it to his room because he loves it. It just reminds him of Marshmallow Fireside. Now, these items right here, I don't know if they asked or if any of them were like on a special, I don't know, 50% off or anything like that. Yeah, I don't know if those candle pedestals and holders and all that were a little bit cheaper. But we have the fall candles, of course. We've seen pumpkin apple. We've seen all of these candles at the store. And I know for a fact, because my friend told him to ask about the owl globe if it was on sale, and it wasn't like anything else. But here, these right here, if you guys see these online, like, I know the berry waffle cone and the summer boardwalk, those two are still, I think, showing up online to pick up in my store, and they're still 75% off. So yeah, I'm not sure um here how much they were, because they were along the wall, and I would think they should be at the very least 50% off, but maybe their regular price, who knows. And so they are filming look at what they missed to take home. Do you guys see the witch wallflower plug-in? All of you guys, I know so many people looking for that one, and there was only one as far as what I could see right here. And then they had some of those pumpkin like spider looking things, candle holders. And yeah, so we are at the fall candles section here in the center of the store. We have seen all of these candles at my store, but thank you guys for coming along and still looking at this video, watching along with me, honestly. And we have the flock. This red, they call it, in person, to me, that looks fuchsia. That looks a little bit more pinkish to me, but on the box it says red. Fine, we'll call it red. But that flock one, that's my favorite one. This pumpkin candle holder is so cute. That's that smaller one. That's $24.95. I love that one as well. And of course, they didn't film like the front of that the newer aromatherapy, but I know we have it in our stores. In fact, I have a picture that I was able to take. But I've been home all weekend because these boys have been in Vegas, and then you guys know my middle son is sick still with COVID, so I just been home. And I will be able to go tomorrow because my husband will be back, of course, so I'll just be able to go film another video. Look at how dirty these boxes are. They were actually here saying like, ooh, these boxes are so dirty. And that's exactly how I think about the red bins, friends. But hey, a lot of you guys love it. Just gonna go with it. Now, these wallflower plug-in or refills, I don't know if you guys can make what names they actually say. They didn't focus on that, so we don't know which ones they are. But 75% off section. I feel like, I mean, this is just basically SAS has moved over to the outlets, and a lot of actual empty bins here. So we have pink pineapple sunrays in the lotion. What is that? Sunshine Mimosa. Yeah, so and then the Golden Ocean Pearl, that is such a good one. And that body cream there, we have Pure Wonder 75% off right there. That's, I think that's a good one for like gifts and things like that if you guys want to have extra in gifts. But yes, now they're moving along to the walls. But along the walls, of course, we have like our classics, our gingham, and all the ones that are around like all year long. Hello Beautiful and Sweet, what is it? Peony? I don't know. We're moving too fast. We're moving too fast that my brain can't even think to what it is. But you guys are moving fast with me, and I didn't even want to cut the video so you guys could be like, where are we going next? Where are we going? Where are we going? We're looking at the soaps. I think we're kind of looking at the soaps, but not really focusing on the soaps. We're just going to look around and see where else we will go after here. But I think we're almost about done here. Yeah, they have a lot of the new soaps that we do have in the stores right now. And it says 350, and of course that extra 20% off that everybody practically got in like their emails. Sign up for the emails, friends, if you're not part of the emails. Where are we going? I think right here they were looking around like, did I film that? They've practically almost went and filmed everything. That's my son with the Adidas shirt. And yeah, and then they didn't film like the actual candle display, the $10 ones, 3-wick candles that I wanted them to film. That's okay. Next time, boys in training. Love them so, so much. Thank you so much, Nathan, for filming. Thank you, Alex, for telling what mom likes to see in her videos and all that kind of stuff. He was right next to him, talking to him. But yeah, you guys go check out Nathan if you're still here. Seriously, at least watch that last video. It's not like a long cooking video, but it's really good. Like, he's actually really good at it. So again, friends, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. And until the next one, my friends, see you and stay blessed. Bye.